Today I'll be talking about buying a used iPhone in person using a website like Craigslist to meet up, or let's say OfferUp, or even Facebook. Sounds like a great idea. You can save a lot of money, but I've heard so many horror stories of, oh, I reset my iPhone and there's no way to set it up because it was iCloud locked or activation locked or it had Find My iPhone enabled. So before you do anything with the phone is go into settings like this. Go into settings once you met up with that person. And look at the very top of settings. It says sign into your iPhone. That's what it should say. Okay? That's what it should say. Now, if you happen to if that person who's selling it is very wary of you going into settings and you see something like this, there's a name the very top for Apple ID, and you ask him, "Hey, can you remove it?" And he goes like, no, it's already been removed. Whatever, I've done what I need to do." I probably wouldn't buy a phone like that. You could even step it up one step. Even if this is missing, even if this is what's showing, I would still factory reset this phone. If you go under General and Reset, and erase all contents and settings. So go ahead and reset it, and then go through the process of setting up your phone really quickly. And if that person doesn't want to do that, it's kind of shady. You should be able to get to all the steps past, fingerprint set up, all the way till you get to the home screen. Once you're on the home screen, you're probably home free. So this is the one thing I will say you need to check on your phone before you even just look at to see what condition it is, how the battery is. Just check that they have the Apple ID removed like this. Otherwise, if it says something like this, you're going to be SOL. There's no way Apple is going to remove it for you. You could bring in a receipt. You could say that, you'll pay them $1 million. They're not going to remove this Apple ID for you. So just remember to check that. That's all I'm saying. Got that off my chest. So check to see in settings that the iCloud is off. Or Find My iPhone is off. And then if you have time, just try factory resetting it and go through the whole setup process. That way you can make sure the phone is ready to use. You don't want to be stuck at the activation screen. It really sucks.